How to save video from CapCut to gallery. If any day you are a CapCut user and you would like to save your video from CapCut to your gallery, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the CapCut application on your mobile device. For that, you can manually find the very CapCut application by scrolling left or right, or otherwise go to the search icon on your mobile device and then search CapCut out there. After you search CapCut and find the very CapCut application, you have to tap on that. And after tapping on that, you can see that CapCut will be launched on your very mobile device. After CapCut is launched on your very mobile device, you have to wait for a while. And after you wait for a while, you can see that this very interface will appear. Now you can create a new project there, or otherwise you can also work with the projects that you had already created in order to save it. So if you have any of the projects there that you want to save it on your very mobile device, you can tap on that. And after tapping on that, you can see an interface like this. Now after tapping on the very project or creating a project, you can also add the various kind of editor features out there in the very video, because there are various kind of nice editing options in the CapCut. And after you have edited all of the video there, now you have to go to the very arrow here on the top side. And after tapping on the arrowhead on the top side, now you can see the option of exporting. You have to wait until it reaches 100%, and after it reaches 100%, now you can see that it will be saved to your gallery automatically. So for that, you have to wait until it reaches 100%, and after it reaches 100%, you can close the very CapCut application. And after closing the very CapCut application, you can go to your gallery. And after going to a gallery, you have to wait for a while. And after waiting for a while, you can see that the very video will be saved on your very gallery on your mobile device automatically. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.